Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at this Zaku Amazing from the Build Fighters line. They did some reprints recently. This is a kit that is based on one of the older style Zakus from 2013. I know it's not a brand new kit, but it's something that I wanted to build. I really love Zaku's. I love all the Zeon suits. The mono eyes are great. Don't get me wrong, I love my Gundams too, you know, but there's just something about the mono eyes that are really cool. Anyways, this one here, I always had wanted it because I thought it was so cool. It came with these two big knife, well, it almost looks like a barber's razor. Like you'd see at a barber shop that would flip open, you'd get shaved with in the old days. I just thought it was such a cool weapon. Also, it's got some other cool stuff with it, and this was let's see, Tatsuya Yuki custom, and he was the Majin, I guess. So yeah, that's. I remember seeing the show once. I only watched it once, and it was a pretty good series. It was one of the first Build Fighter ones, so it wasn't the new Try or the ones like that I really didn't care for as much. But this is the artwork that's on the front of the box. Excuse me. And you can see that it... the equipment all goes together on here, I guess, and makes this gun thing. So also, it's got the missile pods on the back, and it's got two pistols, which is really cool. You know, I'm a sucker for a kit with pistols. So, anyways, well, let's take a look at the side of the box here. It is just showing the pistols and the long rifle, and then the razor blade knives, or the shaver knives, whatever you want to call them, and has missile pods that you can move around. And it does come with a good variety of different hands. So on this side we have the same artwork as on the front of the box, and over here this looks like a finished up kit and a little bit about the kit, I guess, or because they were all kits in the show that they built and then they fought with them. So like a metaverse type deal, which is pretty cool. Anyways, but it tells you about it in Japanese. So. All right, and that box is now upside down on my desk. So we'll go ahead and let's get this open up here and do this. Still haven't got my whole setup finished in here on my desks. Been working on it little by little. Still got some cleaning to do on my other desk behind me. So, and I need to get some more lighting for this side of the room. So let's go ahead and we'll open the box up, and we'll set that over there. And this box is pretty full. Let's get all of the stuff out. Set the box off to the side. Set the runners off to the side, and we'll take a quick look at the manual. It's got the story on here. Got the artwork from the box, tells you all about it. It does have a couple really cool stills from the series TV show. And it shows off some other Zaku kits on that page, and just some of the other kits, full armor type mobile suits. And then it has a picture of the front and the rear, and this is a little weird on this page, but there is the color guide. If somebody wants to pause it, and you'd have to have that translated. they will match up to Mr. Color colors. So, and some more pictures over here showing the long rifle and the knives and the dual pistols. You can put it on a stand, and the pods can be moved down onto the legs. And yeah, that's it tells you, gives you some pointers on how to use Gundam markers to paint things up, like adding some silver to the blades of the knives to make them look, you know, more realistic, I guess. And then I'm going to guess this is going to be a standard Zaku build in here, pretty much. And it doesn't look like there's too many parts that we're not using. Just a handful, because it's a Zaku, so they're all pretty much the same. And yeah, it just has the same old. The only thing different that you're building other than a regular Zaku pretty much is the weaponry, the backpack and the weaponry. So nothing special there. It does have a back color page, which is kind of neat. It shows the weapons. It does come with the bazooka and the Heat Hawk and the original Zaku machine gun also in with this. So this kit comes with a lot of really cool weaponry. So, alright, set that off to the side. Let's open these bags up, see what we got. Got a couple runners in here. Looks like some frame parts. Shake that bag out. There's one of the knives there. Really cool. Chest. Yeah, this is basically just a regular, normal, old school Zaku build. So, got a few different, like, armor things that are designed a little different, like these pieces here, where the whatever those gray things on the bottom go on. I don't expect this thing to be real horribly posable, but it should have a decent amount of articulation when done. It is going to probably use polycaps. I almost can guarantee that. I'll open this bag here up. Looks like we have a part loose in the bag already. So, see that? Right off the tree. So make sure that you're shaking all your bags out. There's the pistols. They're just two pieces that go together. Another one of the knives. This is another duplicate of this part of the runner here. So, and this is another duplicate of this runner here. So far we have two runners with some duplicates. I put that little piece in the box over off to the side so I didn't go anywhere and I didn't lose it. Open this one here up. Now this is pretty much almost Char's colors. I think it's just a little bit different paint added to the salmon. These here are all the power pipes, and of course they're a little flexible, so not too bad. Not too bad. Up a haul here with weaponry. There's the machine gun and the bazooka. Got all these hands, the Heat Hawk. So, alright, and here is some of the main body pieces and the head. This does come with the head with the commander fin and without. And you get two different. I'm sorry, I hit my phone holder there, camera holder. It comes with both types of antennas, so it comes with two different styles. So. This actually, for like a $25 model kit. This was, I think, was originally like $18 when it first came out. Now it's like $25, 24 something, I think, $25. Which isn't too bad still for a high grade. Yes, there's our polycaps in that bag. There's nothing else in that bag. This is the polycap runner from 2008 for the actual Zaku. So there's that. And we have some more frame-ish parts, the parts that you'll see. More hands. Only 2 stickers that come in this are the mono eye and a camera sticker, a purple camera sticker. Set that in the box also. And here's the final runner. So we have the feet in a different color, and this over here, this like dark maroon color for the body, and the rest of the body. Now look here, there's a whole nother chest here that's a whole nother color, where the other one was on over here, I think. Here, let me see. Yeah. So here's the one we're gonna use, because that's correct, and then you have one that's in the salmon color also. It's pretty cool. So you get some extra stuff like that. If you wanted to make it all a little different and use this one, you could. Anyways, alright, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 runners, all in all. That's not too bad for this box for a $20-something kit, and it should be pretty easy to put together. And I'll get it all built up, and then I'll do a little review video on it. And yeah, anyways, that's going to be it for this video. I will see you all in the next one. If you're not subscribed, please go down below this video and hit that subscribe button so you get all my notifications for videos when I make them. But to do that, you'll have to hit that bell notification there and select all. And when you select all, then you will get a little notification whenever any of my videos go up. Alright, thank you all for being a subscriber. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I will see you all in the next video soon.